Amara, the power we seek lives inside these beautiful red shoes. Amara, if you lose these red beautiful high heel cover shoes, you will die.
You can create up to 5 videos at once from this platform, and also they get to give you daily credits that you can use to create your video every day. And these are videos that comes with higher quality, top-notch quality. And also, you can also clone your voice, as well use your own voice, still in this platform. So I'm going to take you through this step-by-step guide on how you can still create longer video, as well as cloning your voice. So if this makes sense to you, sit back, make sure you watch this particular tutorial till the very end, so that you are going to consume everything and know how it is done, how you can use the platform the right way. Okay, do not forget to like this video. Make sure you like this particular video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Subscribe. I hope you've subscribed. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So without much ado, let's go right into the practical section of this video.
I was able to use this particular AI tools to create all of these videos. You can see all of these videos. You can see this is it. Can you see this? And this is another one. This is actually another one, and the last. I was able to use this AI tools to create these videos for free, and I'm going to show you how you can use it. This is not on web. This is not actually a web version of it, but I'm going to show you how you can access it and start generating your videos. So pay close attention to know how to make use of it the right way. So you have to come over to your Play Store or your Apple Store and search for, it is actually an app. So you come over and search for $AI, Smart AI Assistant. This one here, Smart AI Assistant. Okay, so this is the one that is already installed to my phone. So I'm going to come over here, then click on it to download. So once you download the app to your phone, let's proceed to the next step. So once you download the app to your phone, let's proceed to the next step, which I'm going to come over to ChatGPT and say, please I'm going to come over to ChatGPT and just type, please give me a prompt to generate a random video, and then I'm going to send. So at this point, I just want to show you how you can actually use that Smart AI to create your video. So here is the prompt from ChatGPT for me to generate a random video. So this is the first one. I'm going to click on it, copy rather. So once you copy the prompt, let's head over to the app. So once you copy the prompt, just come over to the app, click on the app to open, and then sign in. You go ahead to sign in with your Google account or your email address. Any of this is okay. So once you sign in and then proceed, it will take you to this interface. So once you get to this interface, you can see here. So if you get to this interface, you can click on create. You see create. If you click on create, it will take you down here where you can be able to create. This is just the shortest way you can actually get to this point for you to be able to create your video. So once you click on create, make sure if you want to create image, select image. If you want to create video, toggle on. So once you select video, you come over to describe the video you want. So I'm going to paste the prompt. Once you paste the prompt, this is the model. Now take notes. This is the point you need to take notes so that you are going to have a flawless video. So come over to model Gemini Seedance 1.0, click on it. If you toggle it on, if you toggle that on, you are going to see Gemini Seedance 2.0 fast. This is fast result, high quality, and you are going to see Gemini Seedance 1.0. Okay, videos. You can see that if you check down here, you are going to see good for simple videos. So I'm going to use that one anyway because I've been using that one. Then you come over to aspect ratio. Make sure you select your unique aspect ratio. I'm going to be using 16:9 aspect ratio. So you come over to duration. You can be able to use this platform to create a 10 seconds video duration. So you select anyone. I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm going to be using 5 seconds since this is tutorial. Okay, so now once you select your preferred duration, your aspect ratio and the model, just toggle, click on the arrow facing upward to send, and it will start generating.
Do you want to continue generating for you? The video will be ready in 1 to 3 minutes. I'll let you know when it's done. You have 2 points left today.
Can you hear that? Do you want to continue generating for you? Then the video will be ready in 1 to 3 minutes. I will let you know when it's done. You have 2 points left. You can see I've been using it to create all of this video, and so far I'm left with 2 points for today. And one amazing thing is that they get to give you daily free credit, and with this free credit you can be able to create up to, I think, up to 5 or 6 videos. Yeah, you can see all of these videos. I use that to create all of these, and you can see that. Can you see? Okay, so I'm left with 2 points for today. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we have it. You can see the video is ready right here. This is beautiful. And one thing about this platform is that they get to give you good, high quality videos. If you observe so far, you can see the kind of quality, the video quality so far. You can see this. Can you see it? Like, it comes with high quality. And even this one right here, can you see? Okay, so for you to be able to download the video, you just click on save, and the video will be saved to your device or your gallery. So this is it. This is how you can still create your video for free, and it is 100% free.
Now wait. If you've watched this particular video till this point and you haven't liked it, you are wrong. Please make sure you like this video. Very important. Because I know the value I'm sharing right here. I know the value I'm sharing. Make sure you like this video. Subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, let's proceed.
And you can always change to another email address. Let me show you. For instance, you can come over to these 2 dashed lines, click on it and come over to profile. Once you click on profile, can see add account, so you can decide to add account. And also if you click here, you can get to switch to another email address, or you can log out. Can you see down here? Or you switch accounts. Can you see switch account? So this is process that you can actually switch to another account to continue creating your video in one place. Do you understand? And the video comes with higher quality, remember. Now under here for voice, you can select the voice you want. You can see all of these are the voices that you can actually use. You can as well create voice. Can you see? So if you click on create voice, you can actually create voice. Let me click. Then you see record yourself only, create your voice. Can you see that? So you go ahead to, this one is find a quiet place, speak naturally in a quiet environment, read the text exactly, read aloud the on-screen text exactly as shown. So I'm going to click on continue, and then start reading. You can see, well, I'm not sure yet. Maybe I will order some pizza or Chinese food for my lunch today. Then hold to record. Click on this. Okay. Then click on continue. You can see that I'm recording. I've just finished recording. So this is how you can get to record your real voice for it to capture. You can see. So that is that. So once you record, it will proceed to save your voice, and you can always use your voice in your video. Okay, so if you want to use your voice, you come over to use, see use, you select the voice you want to use and click on use. Okay, so once you click on use, it will take you down here, which you've selected your voice already, the voice you want to use, be it your voice or those voices that comes by default. So after selecting, you come over and go ahead to paste your prompt. After pasting your prompt, and go ahead to send. Now it will interest you to know that you can as well use your reference image. Do you see here this plus icon? Click on it. It will take you to your gallery where you can bring in your reference image, and here you have it. You can use your reference image to create the video in this particular platform. How good could it be? This is extremely amazing. In fact, I really love it for the fact that they get to give quality videos. I love it. I rate it 10 over 10. So go try out and give me feedback in the comment section. I will urge you to go and try out immediately. Go and try out immediately. Not something that you have to wait after they might have maybe made some changes or they stop giving their free credit. You come back or you drop comments that is not working anymore. Go and try out now. Okay, I really hope you found this particular video valuable. Do not forget to like it. If you haven't given this video a like by now, please, you are wrong. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you do not have anything to comment, just tell me thank you in the comment section, and make sure you share this particular video with another creator. See you in my next one. Goodbye.